Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to rotate a selection in Krita. A quick note, Krita doesn't have a standalone rotate selection marquee only mode the same way other programs do. Instead, you use the transform tool on the selection. But be aware this will rotate the selected area and thus affects the content when you apply it. The outline itself doesn't rotate independently by default in current stable releases. Start by making your selection with any selection tool like the rectangular, elliptical, freehand, or magic wand. You'll see the marching ants showing the selected area. To rotate that selection and its content, right-click inside the selection and choose Transform, then Transform Tool, or press Ctrl-T on Windows or Linux, or Command-T on Mac. Krita will wrap your selected area in a transform box with handles. With the transform box active, hover just outside the corner handle and your cursor will change into a rotation icon. Click and drag to rotate the selection around its pivot point. The pixels inside the selection will rotate as you move. Press enter to apply the rotation. If you don't want the pixels to rotate yet and are just testing angles, you can cancel with escape. And that's how you rotate a selection in Krita. Thanks for watching.